Joy! Dinayo mo kami!
Una muna yung happy birthday, Judith.
Maybe I dream to my heart, but when I think of you... Ito kasi na rin, Joy!
Happy birthday,
I
Judith!
feel your touch
Nananahimik ka?
to whisper in you.
Hindi ka nananahimik ka?
Tahimik kami dito sa Pro-Uno, be! Dinayo mo kami! Anong ginawa mo sa amin?
Ako na nga, so sorry.
It's only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Shouldn't hurt that more when you look in my eyes. But now I know that you feel it.
Salamat, Joy. I love you, Joy.
Mahal ka namin.
Oo, I love you, Joy. Happy birthday, Judy. Salamat sa inyo. Salamat talaga sa inyo. Walang hiya kayo. I love you. I love you talaga kayo. Nakakayos kayo. Hindi naman kasi si Lilia. I love you too na lang. Bakit na si Lilia? I love you too na lang. Sige na nga. Three words. Change the life forever. I love you forever. Parang maiyak ka naman na. Sige, moment mo yan. Sige. So today if I find the Christ deep inside, just to walk right up to your door.
But the body can move when the fire gets to it.
Just like thousand times before.
Turn out to work behind his means later.
Wala naman si Mic.
Let our heart is far away. O di ba, Jay, masaya dito sa Pro-Uno, din.
It's
Tumira ka na dito.
I love you too. Please say you love me. Like it It's three words. They could change our lives forever. It's a dream we'll always together. Of time. Tama na, Lili. Saan po kayo? Left or right? Baby, I need a little love.
Dito kaya tumira, Joy. Mukhang ang tao dito.
I need a little care. Somebody's called you. If you do.
Ayoko na. Mamatay ako.
I love you too. Tama kay Lia. Me too. Out of time. Dahil na lang. Make a change a life forever. Ano tala ka lang kay Lia kanina yan?
Papakabali yan.
Together. Oh. Sila Joy, sila. I love you too.
Gumatag sa akin na hawak ang mga tao. Bawal mo yun.
Bakit si Joy may cellphone po niya?
Bawal
Baby, I love you! Bakit tayo magkarang? Ha? Ilalagay ko muna sa laptop. Minsan lang tayo masaya.
Sabi ni Nia.
Joy, wag kang iniligtas sa tag mo lahat. Tag mo lahat? Kaya mo si Janet, bayan mo sa napahiya. Sis, maka ako ngayon live din, 1.5.
Pati ni Judy, just because of birthday.
Oo. Pakinin niyo. Maayot! Sabi ko sa'yo na, alam mo sa dito, di ako marunong mag-English. Say it.
Ano si it? Pimaking sa amin sa Ilocano yun! Pimaking sa amin yung pang-Ilocano si it!
Sorry naman, binasa ko na sabi lang. Say it! Oh, di ba?
Si it! Nakatusok.
Happy lang. Happy birthday,
Judy.
Judy.
Hoy, itak mo yun.
Tagtag kayo.
Ako ang matag. Edit.
Ayoko yan.
Wala pa itong cellphone. Eh, kuya, hindi sweet my father.
Feeling mo supli.
Eh, kala ko daw sweet my father. Ay, well, maiyak ako doon.
Ayoko naman.
Bakit wala ka ng tatay?
2007 taas nga.
Wala rin akong tatay.
Dada.
Inabong ka kasi man yung tatay mo.
Dada.
Shining my precious
Dada
finger.
ako doon. Si Dada, wala.
Suluhin mo yan.
See my life will is run.
Ba't ba wala sa ano? Wala.
Pero gusto mo sa'yo ni Abby.
Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly
Miss
with his... Hoy, engineer, ano? Ano nga ito, Salvador? Baka may ano ka naman dyan. Speaker.
Ano?
Killing me softly with his song.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sa YouTube na yan. So, i-upload ko sa YouTube. Thank you, Joy, Ate Anet, Lian, Ate Pansing.
Happy birthday, Judy.
Ate Pansing, Ate Rowena, sorry. Mamaya susukutin kita. Ano yan? Bago ako malis ako tapo.
Early sun
Ako na tayo ka, tuwing mamaya. Kainis yun.
I heard he
Kanina naman.
had a
Sa
sigh.
ikaw sa Ate Pansing. Nasa CR.
And so I came to see him, to listen for a while.
Yeah, a while.
Ako na. Away daw.
Ever he was his young boy,
A while. Ayan, boy.
a stranger to my eyes, drumming my pen with his finger,
Pansing ko na. oh.
Fingers.
singing my life with his words. Filling me softly with his song.
Tapusin pa ba natin?
With his
Oo
song.
naman, sayang ang ano. 150.
With his song, filling my whole life. With his words,
Sintan siya lang.
filling me softly.
O, tumakay ka.
It is so.
With his song.
Tagay.
I felt flush with
Tagay ko. Tagay daw.
Yes, fever.
Sabi niya,
and what was ba sa akin the
The
crown.
crown.
I felt he found my letters and read each one out loud. I pray that he would finish,
Would finish.
but the just kept learning.
Ganyan nga karami ang da. Kung wala
Wala
kang naman ako.
Wala kang tatapunan.
Siya nga.
Sayang
yung 150.
Sinasabi ko sa iyo. Doon tayo ka na, Ate Judy.
Killing me softly.
Uy, sorry naman.
Killing me softly.
Sa Elia lang, I love you.
With his
I love you too.
Nag-I love you naman kasi na ito. Okay, ganito.
With his song, killing me softly.
Ito pala, o meron. Ay, or saan dating ni ano? Iberon?
With his song.
Hmm?
Gabi na naman makakat sa akin.
And he as he knew me
Lambis na yan.
in all the dark despair. And then he looked right through me as if I wasn't there.
There.
He just he keep on shining, singing.
Singing.
Ano yung sit?
My pain with his
My friend.
Ay, ang alang kay Julie.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you
Ganito
lahat.
ako.
I love me too.
Healing me softly with his song. Healing me softly with his song. Tell my whole life with his song. Healing me softly with his song.
Masayang kanta.
Miss ko tuloy padis.
Sige, tara.
Ang tara, wala ditong padis. Uy. Sus, Manila lang.
Meron ako dyan ilaw-ilaw. Ano, ilaw-ilaw natin yan. Mapadis point time. Ay, nakapipadis. Ay, ano? Hindi mo yan dito. Ay, kukunin ko lang yung ano. Ano naamoy mo?
Wala yung maamoy dyan.
Wala naman daw naiwan dyan.
Mabango yan. Mabango. Mabango.
Kinuha ko yung gano'ng kabango.
kasi.
Gano'ng kabango.
Lipat na sa tamang timplang mas
Madaling
masarap.
madaling araw, nag-baby-baby.
New Great Taste White.
Ay, sa rin.
Hindi naman kita.
Alas 4 na, nag-baby